today I'm going to continue my series called One Day, One Picture, and let's get going. So today I'm going to draw a lion. Lion. Okay. Boing. Now we have to draw the line. Okay, now the line. So I guess we have to do the face. I'll just draw now with one line, like this. So it looks not as bad. So now we need the mane. Looks cute. So now the first pose we've ever learned how to draw, which is this one, has to be done again. How much did I do? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. We didn't do it for 8 days. Cool. Who cares? Okay, so here the lines pause, then unopen. A little bit of detail to them, like this. Oh, and the tail. And the tip. Looks like a paintbrush. Like this. Okay, so now sparkles. Sparkles. Here. Then color the tip good. Here. And one here. Oh yeah, one itty bitty one here. Because I just wanted. Oh, looks cute. So 1 dot, 1 dot, 1 dot, 1 dot. 1 dot, 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 1. Why did I show 2? Oh yeah, you've heard the joke about 11. Yeah, you've heard it. I don't know, joke today. Okay, now it's done. And well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.